There's a hotness there. I don't know. Oh, I feel like me I'm melt. Oh, I can't want some up this. Upstairs, trees are up. I don't fucking feel like that's people by the sun itself. Oh my gosh. Oof. Please hot to the star. Yo, I always want to be a hot teacher, but this is ridiculous. So, oh, yeah, for sure, hot. Thanks, Windy.